Hypotrix lunata is a moth of the Noctuidae family. It is found from southeastern Arizona, Chiricahua, Huachuca and Santa Rita mountains, southward to the state of Durango in northern Mexico. The length of the forewings is 15 to 17 millimeters and the wingspan is about 31 millimeters. Adults are on wing from late May to mid-September, probably representing 2 generations. Description: it is a relatively large moth that is superficially unlike any other species in North America. The forewing is a hoary gray with a large entirely black crescent-shaped reniform spot that is fused posteriorly with the black orbicular spot. It is most closely related to Hypotrix quindensis. Drought. 1924. That was originally described as a form of H. lunata. It occurs from Colombia to Peru. Hypotrix lunata differs from H. quindensis in having a smaller orbicular spot. The two sides of the black mark formed by the fusion of the spots are similar in size in H. quindensis. The postmedial line is an even black line. An irregular series of black dashes in H. quindensis ending in a black spot on the costa. The basal line is obscure. A contrasting black spot in H. quindensis, and the hindwing is fuscous, not dirty white. In the genitalia of H. quindensis there are 2 rather than 3 coils in the vesica and appendix bursa, and only the posterior half of the ductus bursa is sclerotized. Hypotrix purpurigera and several of its South American relatives also have black reniform and orbicular spots that are frequently fused posteriorly, creating a wide V-shaped mark. Within the North American fauna, the male genitalia of Hypotrix lunata are most similar to those of Hypotrix weko, but differ in that only the apical part of the uncus is expanded in H. lunata, whereas the apical 2/3 is wide in H. weko. The clasper is stouter and abruptly tapered apically in H. lunata, and the dorsal lobe on the sacculus is much larger. The vesica is very different from that of H. weko in having much more extensive basal cluster of spines and subbasal cornuti and a longitudinally ribbed basal swelling, and the vesica has 3 tight medial coils rather than 1 as in H. weko. In the female genitalia, the appendix bursa has a corresponding 3 coils to those in the vesica, and the ductus bursa is more heavily sclerotized. A revision of the genus Hypotrix guineae in North America with descriptions of 4 new species and a new genus, Lepidoptera, Noctuidae, Noctuinae, Areopagini. Images. Bug Guide.